Snow is coming and I want to be prepared this year. We don't have too much snow in the Pacific Northwest, but when we do, I did not have a snow shovel to deal with the snow. And I want to make sure that our sidewalk is safe for our neighbors and for my family. So I got this snow shovel and it's already looking so good. Let me show you. Now I went with this one because I didn't want something oversized. We don't have too much space I need to snowplow, and most of the time I want this folded up and tucked away. So I went with this great version that actually does fold back into itself, and so you can put it away during most of the year when you're not using it. And then when you're ready to use it, you just pop it on open. This whole part is super sturdy metal. This is plastic, but it's really durable, strong plastic. It's not going anywhere. And then the entire thing is extendable and has this great handle that just latches on. So let's put together here. These just push in, and then you have to do it again. It pops right into place. So now it has the handle on. It's feeling really sturdy. The handle is slightly rubbery in the grip. Again, very sturdy plastic. Now to extend it out, you just press these and then you can pull up, and it doesn't get super tall. It's not a massive shovel. It's still a lower shovel. You will be bending over to shovel with this, but it is a good size, and now it is ready to shovel with. Again, super sturdy. I think this is like the hipster version of snow shovels. It will do the job and it'll look good doing it, but it's not going to be as crazy functional as, say, a huge snow shovel would be. But again, I didn't want a huge snow shovel. I just wanted one that will do the trick with this flat base when I need it to for my sidewalk. And when it's not in use, all I need to do is push these, pop it down, pull this up, fold it up, and now I can put it away for the season. This is exactly what I wanted and needed. It is a great all-around snow shovel, definitely on the smaller side. This could be used with your home, or this is also a great one to put in your car for travel. But great all around, and I'm so glad that I got this snow shovel before our first snow comes this season.